Hey everybody, last video of 2019. So closing out the year with an RV. This one is going to Dubai. It's a brand new Forest River Forester. I believe the model number is a 3251 if you want to look it up online and get an interior tour. It's pretty nice in there. So brand new rig, came straight from the factory here. We did our 6-inch swap. First thing I did was get it weighed. I've talked about it before, but I still get asked questions about it. But we have these springs custom spec to the actual weight of this rig, of each RV. When they leave the factory, these RV converters don't do anything to the suspension. So the suspension is essentially stock from when Ford built it, and it is undersprung. That's why these things feel like they're all over the road. It's because they are undersprung and they have factory crappy shocks and maybe a sway bar. Some of the manufacturers will add some band-aids. This one in particular was odd because it had stickers for a Hellwig sway bar, airbags, and Bilstein shocks, and it had none of those things. So I'm not sure what happened, but it's not too surprising. Stage 2 front axle, 456 gears, Ujoint True Track. It's got our RSC upgrade, so it's got the big 14.5-inch diameter rotors, serviceable wheel bearings, 35 spline outers, single Fox 2.0 front and rear. Again, when they're properly sprung, they don't need multiple shocks or custom valve shocks. Front tires, 295 7017 Toyo Muds on some Pro Comp 7069 series wheels. The rears are 255 85 16. I get a lot of questions about the mud terrains, why we run mud terrains. This is one of the few tires that come in both of these sizes. We run the rear, we run a stock wheel, and we powder coated and blasted, and powder coated, sorry, to keep it simple. We start adding spacers to these dualies. It's a safety concern, and then also you have to start cutting the body, which some rigs is possible, some rigs it's not. Like this one could have barely been trimmed. You can see there's not a lot of room there to trim. Another thing different about this one, this RV came in with 2-inch blocks in the rear. So the guys asked me what we want to do with these things. I said, well, let's put them back in, why not? So this one is sitting a little high in the back. I think it looks good. Most of you will probably agree with me. That's another common comment I get, is that they always look low in the rear. They're usually level when they leave here, but because of the angle I take the picture and the length of these things, it can appear to be low in the rear. So let me know what you think on this one. No extras on this one, and no lights or bumpers or anything. It's a pretty basic build. Pretty basic four-wheel drive swap. So super nice rig. Like I said, it's headed to Dubai, hopefully soon. And yeah, got any questions, leave them in the comments or shoot me an email, chris@ujointoffroad.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook if you don't already. We appreciate the support. Thanks for a great 2019. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna try to make more videos in 2020. And yeah, keep doing our thing. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.